Hi everyone, my name is Robert Doane, and I own the Acupuncture and Wellness Center in Paulsbo, Washington. We've been in business since 1998. We are one of the largest, if not the largest, Chinese medical clinic in the United States. What does that mean? We routinely treat anywhere from 60 to 70 to 100 patient visits a day, 5 days a week. Many people ask us, how did the clinic become so successful? And the answer is because we are very, very good at what's called Chinese pulse diagnosis, or what I call medical pulse diagnosis, MPD. It's my specific method. I train postdocs in this method, and I teach it in over 30 countries through my teaching website. Chinese pulse diagnosis, or medical pulse diagnosis, tells us a great deal of what the condition of the human body is and gives us an idea of how to approach improving the health of a patient. In pulse diagnosis, there are 3 positions where you put your fingers on the radial pulse, starting at the wrist and moving up the arm. The first position is called the Sun position, then there's the Guan position, and then there's a Chi position. And the Sun, Guan, Chi on both arms, left and right. On the right side, the Sun tells us the condition of the sinuses, the upper respiratory system, and the large intestine. The right Guan reveals conditions of the stomach and pancreas, basically the digestive system. And then the right Chi will reveal the western kidney function, western bladder function, and the condition of the upper back and neck. On the left side, the left Sun reveals conditions of the heart, small intestine. The left Guan reveals the liver and gallbladder and its functioning. And the left Chi tells us the condition of the endocrine system and the lower back and the knees. Feeling the radial pulse beating in these positions and how the pulse is beating, whether the pulse is wide or too strong or too weak, helps us a great deal in knowing which herbs and which acupuncture treatments will best suit the patient. In our clinic, we use this method of pulse diagnosis exclusively to figure out exactly what the patient needs. Pulse diagnosis is a lost art. Yes, acupuncturists will read your pulse, but they would never base all their treatments on the pulse. They don't trust it that much. They're more interested in asking you what's wrong and what would you like us to fix and so forth. In our clinic, we rely totally on pulse diagnosis. We find it to be very, very accurate. And it helps us know where the patient's going, what the condition is, and where the health is going. And it will reveal which Chinese pattern of ill health the patient has, or combinations thereof, and then we'll know exactly what to give the patient. So Chinese pulse diagnosis, even though a lost art, it's alive and well in our clinic, and we're doing everything we can to teach others how to use it properly. I have a bestseller on Amazon in Chinese medicine. It's called Medical Pulse Diagnosis, and it's a how-to book, actually how to read pulses and how to diagnose from them. And for those of you who are curious about Chinese medicine and would like to see pulse diagnosis directly done by an expert at it, please make an appointment with the Acupuncture and Wellness Center. Go to our website, acupuncturewellness.net, and click on Make an Appointment, and we will do our very best to help you. Good luck to all of you. We hope to see you soon. Bye-bye now.